guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in this tutorial, you guys already know by the title what I'm going to be reviewing, and yes girl, I am going to be reviewing this month's Boxycharm, and I'm just going to let you guys know right now, I think this was the best box of the year, you guys. I will have swatches along the way and the pricing and everything. Yeah, you guys, I am so excited. So before you guys head into the tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. So if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm, then let's just keep on watching. So excited to show you guys my box. I think this box right here is one of the best boxes of the year. Okay, so let's just open it up. I can't show you guys the front, but so this is my Boxycharm for this month. It's so cute. For the first thing that comes in the box, it's the flyer, and it says Boxycharm and it says lucky. So are we feeling lucky? So this box was sent to me, but I am going to be real honest on my opinion on these things. So this is the flyer. It's really cute. So lucky, feeling lucky, you guys. So this month is a Boxy Lucky. Okay. So yeah, so the first thing, let's see. The first thing is the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. And honestly, I don't think I've ever tried anything of Lime Crime as in eyeshadows. Like, I've tried their liquid lipsticks. I think that's just about it. But that is so exciting. Okay, so this does retail for $38. See how many shadows we get for $38, okay? The packaging is gorgeous. Like, yeah, the packaging is gorgeous. So once you open it, the life shelf is 12 months. It is cruelty free and vegan. So that right there is just a plus. So you get 8 shades for $38, and they're claiming that they're high pigmented and richly, you know, creamy and buttery. So there is a mirror, which is nice. You guys already know that I love mirrors and stuff in my palettes, so that is another plus. So these colors are just gorgeous. Like, I love pinks and purples and brownie tones. You guys already know. So this palette screams gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Let's do some swatches right here. I'm gonna have the swatches right here. That way you guys can see. These are so buttery. There's Dreamy, Beam, Heavenly, Rapture, Ecstasy, Paradise, Bliss, and Beloved. So they're gonna be swatched in the right order, as I said. But yeah, they're gorgeous, you guys. I think they're beautiful. So the next thing is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. This costs $39. I love Glow Recipe. My favorite thing is their Watermelon Mist right here. You guys, if you guys don't have it, get it. I hope it smells good, because I do like banana. So let's just see. Let's just open her up, if I can get her out. Okay, all right, she's beautiful. This is the glass bottle. Look how pretty it looks. It looks gorgeous. It smells good. You know, it smells like the Runts. You know the Runts? The Runts? The candy? Banana candy? The banana one? It smells like that. It smells like candy. So just apply it on the back of my hand, or my hands, so it looks like this. It's just yellow. We're gonna apply it. So it does feel really, really nice. All right, so it says a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. Blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric. Ooh, turmeric is really good. And I don't know. Girl, I don't know. This sweet souffle is your recipe for calmer, hydrated, healthy looking skin. So it's to use daily, so that's good. I'm really, really excited for the next product. It is the Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray, and it is $22. So you guys, this is a Fashion Nova brand. This is their makeup brand, and I've already tried a couple of their things, and I really like their products. Very pigmented, very good. So I'm so excited to try this. It looks like this. This is what it looks like. Very cute. So let's open her up. Ooh, yes. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. Love, love, love. It smells like. Smells good. Smells good. Okay, so the next thing is the Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. So I don't know if I tried something of theirs. I forgot. I think so. It's their lip oil. This is the packaging. Looks really nice. It's just holographic, and it says Cab right here with a K. So, ooh, this is interesting. It's a lip oil. I think for sure if I don't like it, my daughter's gonna like it because she loves anything lip gloss. So this does retail for $20, which is cool. So, okay. Smells really good. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty, and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Oh, so it's a tint kind of. Okay, let's just try this out because I always have to put gloss on my lips. Okay, it has the right stickiness. I actually really like it. Okay, so the last thing that we have in this box is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydration Eye Cream, and this does retail for $8. $18. Girl. So how many come in? Okay, so there's 3 pairs, $18. Okay. All right. Let's put these babies on. So this is what it looks like. These are the eye patches or the eye mask. So I'm gonna take like a dime piece, a dime size. My face turns red all the time, but it feels and it looks nice, like dewy. Okay. So they feel really, really nice and calming and soothing. I love that. They're actually cold. And a trick with these eye masks, I usually put them in the fridge so they can be extra, extra cold and just like, you can relax, you know? So we're gonna pack on the color Paradise, and it's the bright magenta color right here. I just swatched it right now. It's so pretty. A little shimmer, you know? But it's super pretty, you guys. Next color we are going to take is the color Dreamy, and it's this one right here. This color Dreamy right here. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the color Bliss. Let's take Bliss right here, this one right here. Just in the outer right here, the outer part. I'll put Ecstasy just a little bit, like this color, this brownie color, Ecstasy right here. Always this eye gets patchy, and you guys already know my little secret. I just take whatever is left on my brush from my concealer or, you know, my eye primer, and then I just take a packing brush and I'll pack on that color just like that, and it is gone. I'm going to take Beam because this color is just so pretty. It's like an iridescent color. Let me put that all over the lid right there. I'm taking my Morphe M224. I'm gonna pack that color on all over the lid. Girl, yes. So now the color I'm going to be taking is called Paradise, and it's that purple shade that we first put on. And I'm just going to apply that like in the outer part of this, just to give like a ombre effect. So this is the eye. I think it looks so pretty. I am obsessed. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. All right, so this is the final look, you guys. The last thing that we need to use in our box is our setting spray. So this is the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. So I'm going to be using it with you guys. Okay, so I did say that it smelled good because it did. So I'm going to shake it up just to shake it up. I always do. So this is vegan, and the shelf life for this is 24 months. It is made in the USA. So it's, yeah, it says shake well. After makeup. So you could use it before and after makeup. application. Okay. It smells really good. In the caption, I'll let you guys know how well this wore. And yeah, I like how it gave me kind of like an instant kind of glow. Okay, let's add this baby up because I know this was more than $25. Okay, so first off, the Lime Crime. This is $38. So the Glow Recipe was $39. The Maven Beauty was $22. The Cab Beauty was $20. And Beauty Crop was $18. This whole box totals up to, you guys already get your money's worth, and you get like 4 to 5 full-size products. I think this is amazing, you guys. I liked everything that I received in this month's box. I think this was like the best box of the year. So you guys, if you guys are feeling lucky, make sure you guys head over to get the subscription if you guys want. I don't have a link. I will try to get one for you though, because you know I will be doing these videos monthly. So before you guys head out of my tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye guys.